we output from our isolation transformer to the input terminals of our test transformer. These two are from our input from our isolation transformer. These two are connected to our instrument measurement terminals of the console, high voltage tail and measuring terminal to here. It's short, grounded. Then we also connected the systematic. The high pressure wire went from our experiments to the top, to our current limiting resistor, and then to our voltage divider. The voltage divider goes from top to bottom. Here below is the box we use to collect partial discharge. Then according to yourself, if you have a partial discharge instrument, according to different styles, you can connect it like this. And this is a contact of the low pressure arm. Then normally if we want to pick, if we want to measure the low voltage signal, plug this low voltage on, plug into our low voltage on. Then we can pick up the low voltage signal here. When we do partial discharge, just receive our junior headend. If we want to bring the test object, the high voltage output line should be connected to. The high pressure end of the voltage divider is connected now. It can be connected here, or here is also okay. Then let me introduce the introduction of our panel. Here is our main touchscreen. Add one of ours, and a USB data interface. The power switch is up here. Bend it up to turn it off, and down is to turn on. Then we will demonstrate it to you later. This is an emergency stop button. If anything needed halfway through, just press it down. Before the next experiment, rotate and reset. There is a start and close button and a stop button. There are also a voltage boost and drop. If we want to increase the voltage now, turn on the main switch of the console. Then turn on the power switch. After opening, we can choose manual boost and automatic boost. Let's choose manual boost first. Here we can see the number of a test subject, which is set according to your needs. Then we have an extended ADC module, but our system is AC, so we choose AC, not DC. Then we test high pressure 50 kilowatts. Overvoltage protection is 52. The maximum setting is 52 because it is a 50 kilovolts transformer. The overcurrent protection is 20 amps. The withstand voltage time is 60 seconds. Let's reduce the withstand voltage time, set to 10 seconds. OK, 10 seconds. Click to start testing. Confirm to start the test. After the test, close the switch. We can also click stop, or click the start button here. OK, increase the voltage. Then we can press the buttons here. Here, we can also follow our instructions to perform a voltage boosting and voltage lowering module. OK, it has reached 23 kilovolts at present. Let's increase to 50. OK, now we have risen to 50. Click on our start timing. Wait for the timer to end. OK, the timing is over. It will automatically reduce the voltage. We can also choose to manually reduce the pressure. OK, the voltage drop is done. Click return. OK, we can click on our data query. This is the data we just did for 50. We passed, because we did a 10-second withstand voltage test. This is the data we did before. OK. Then we can also choose automatic. If we choose automatic, we will raise less, to 10,000 volts. After we finish setting, click OK. To start the test, the instrument will automatically increase the voltage. After reaching our test voltage, the instrument will start timing automatically. OK, now it's 10 kilovolts. When 10 kilovolts is reached, the instrument will start timing automatically. We set it to 10 seconds. OK, 10 seconds are up. Automatically reduce voltage. OK, the pressurization is done. The test is over. Click return. Okay, the instrument is introduced.